In that goodie basket there, I don't even know what they were. These, you know, cookie things. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what they are. But his wife made them, and oh my god. Wow. Yeah, those things just blew my socks off. So, a few days later, I came begging for another batch. And sure enough, he showed up with some more goodies, and I don't know, I'm a little bit ashamed at how long they lasted. They didn't last long. I don't know if I can tell him. I don't know if I can show them my weakness there. Those went fast. Yeah, those are gone in like a couple hours. But anyway, that's a wrap. Let the winch down. Lights off. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.